Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp in iPhone or on Android phone. So guys, if you're using any iOS device or Android device and want to remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and now you need to click on general, click on iPhone storage, and after this you need to scroll it down. From here you need to click on WhatsApp, and guys, simply you need to delete your app. So guys, you can back up your data with iCloud if you're using iPhone, and if you're using Android device you can back up your data in Gmail. And guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to install downgraded version of WhatsApp. So guys, if you're using latest version of WhatsApp, simply you have to downgrade your version, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, you can easily do this. Simply you need to open any third-party website and you can download this app lowest version, and guys, you will be able to remove your Meta AI update from your WhatsApp. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.